Warning all, don't play with fire. Tomorrow Corporation presents Little Inferno. I watched Jacksepticeye play this way back in the day. Like, it has been a minute since I thought about playing this. Go to Classic. New game. Now, I did play this a little bit to make sure it actually worked. Touch and hold anywhere to make fire. Yep. I can even touch the screen. But if I hold it, it doesn't really do much. I have to swipe my hand like I'm swiping, oh, what are they called? Matches. Whoop. Got some mail. Congratulations on the legitimate purchase of your brand new Little Inferno Entertainment fireplace. We've lovingly crafted each fireplace to warm your home and your heart. Stay warm out there. Mwee! Love, Miss Nancy. Alright, let's burn her letter. Nothing sacred in this house. Everything gets thrown in the fire. Drag you. Terms and conditions. Alright, let's pretend to read this, and then we get rid of it. There we go. Another letter. Goodness! Have you already burned all your things? That's okay. You can always buy more with your brand new catalog. Love, Miss Nancy. You've got catalog. Little Inferno collector poster. Framed limited edition poster. May lose value when burned. Okay, popcorn. I'll go for that. Letter blocks. And that's all I can afford for now. Guys, I have a story time. I have a horrible story that I gotta get off my chest. So, at one point, we had someone over. They moved in, and they never paid rent or anything. It was not a fun time. It used to be one of the my wife used to be one of her friends. I never liked them very much, not from the beginning, but my wife seemed to be cool with them, so I figured why not charge them rent and make a little bit of money from this. Ooh, a spider! And it was not a fun time. And eventually, they finally moved out. The weird thing, though, is that when they did move out, they had this like little Charizard or something plushie, right? I wasn't thinking too much about it, and I go to grab it. This person already moved out, so I'm just taking whatever, moving it, getting rid of it, stuff like that. I go to grab it, and it's got a hole in the crotch. It's not like it was torn at the seams or something. No, it was torn there. And I was petrified. I did not know what was going on with that thing. I was scared of what I thought it was. I was not having a good time. I was freaking out, so I go and like pick it up with 2 fingers or whatever, place it in the trash can. I didn't want to deal with it anymore. Little did I know that was what they were using it for. I was disgusted. Bro, that was no Pokemon plushie. That was a Pokemon plushie victim right there. I do not want to deal with that person like ever again. That was some weirdo behavior, dude. It was awful. Oh, I just had to get that off my chest. Let's check out what else they got. Alarm clocks. Y'all are going to have to be my therapist, because I definitely can't afford one. So you guys are going to have to hear about all of this. Got a clock, an alarm clock, credit card, mail. Oh, you're doing so great! But don't worry. Your Little Inferno is not like other games. There's no points. There's no score. You are not being timed. Just make a nice fire and stay warm in the glow of your high-definition entertainment product. But you can do that forever. There is bound to be an end. Stay warm, Miss Nancy. Burn that. What's this? Hello. Is there anybody there? You don't know me, but I thought I would tell you. It's so cold outside. I'm all snuggled up in front of my little inferno entertainment fireplace. It's so toasty I could stay here forever. Like a hug in a bug in a mug. What the fuck? I mean, a bug in a mug in a bug. What? From Sugar Plums. Yes, this is for you. You've got a photo of someone. Sweet, let's burn it. Magnet. What else can we do? Battery packs. Bye. Ordinary bricks. You're not gonna burn a brick, are ya? That's not wood brick, is it? It don't look wood. Looks like it's made of stone. Oh my goodness. I got reminded of something. Not another terrible story. This is a great story, actually. So, at one point before I was born and adopted in this family, my family had a fireplace. And growing up, I threw a bunch of shit in it. However, this is a story from before I was born. So my dad goes to grab a box. He's burning a lot of different boxes and shit, whatever's in it. He figures it's all useless stuff that he doesn't care about, right? Well, he should have cared, because in one of those boxes was just full of batteries. I mean, plumb full from what they tell me. They go to burn. My dad goes, throws the box into the fireplace, and then all the batteries ignite. They just start popping, blowing up everything. From what I hear, everybody was fucking ducking, diving underneath the tables, getting behind chairs and shit. It left holes throughout the entire living room, across anything that wasn't like hardwood or something. All of the rugs, the couch, everything was ruined. It was it was pretty bad from what I hear. Hello, it's me again. It smells like something's burning. Did you get a little inferno fireplace too? It seems like everyone has one these days. Everyone I know has one. And everyone I don't know has one too. Burning stuff is pretty fun, but be careful. The instructions said there's something even more dangerous than fire. But I burned them. So, we'll never know. From your new friend, Sugar Plums. Get up there. What else is there? What's this? Pirate bike? Oh, we about to get that right now. Out the way. Move, move. Let's see if I can get this with my hands. Woo! Just toss it up the chimney. We're done for. We're out. Don't need these no more. Don't care if it burns my roof. God, they burn for a minute. Spider. Why is the spider a cyclops? They only got one eye. There we go. Get on the back. There we go. Bike pirate combo. What else? Someone else's family portrait. Instant pack of seeds. Jar flies. Fireflies. Someone else's combo. I think this is someone else's credit card. Come on. Everything burns so slowly. Spider. Someone else's photo. Someone else's credit card. Fireflies. Oh, there goes that. And the flowers, whatever that was. It's me again. Haha. I already burned all my stuff. Will you send me some? I need some more fireflies. I just threw some of those down. You got to give me a minute. Okay, I can't just drag it away. Well, I can't bring it back. Do I have enough for... Ah, you got lucky, sugar plums. You got to wait for it to get here, though. Someone else's combo. Grab the stamps. Spider! There we go. Here you go, sugar plums. Send. What haven't I gotten? My pictures. What we burning? What we burning? What are we burning? I don't like how this thing looks. We burning it. Spider egg. Celebration bus. Oh, that's all we got. Stamp. Stamp. We're gonna get everything here now. What's this? Okay, thank you for my new fireflies. Each one was like a little wish. I set them fire to see where they would go, but they all burned up. We knew they wouldn't last forever. Oh, I got you some, okay? It's attached. Just flip over the letter. Flip it. Flip it again. Okay, here it is. It's for you. Aw, it makes me sick. Ew. Ugh, I don't like it. Bus. This. What do you want? What? Little Inferno is filled with secrets. And I just found one. Don't worry. I won't tell you. That would be a spoiler. But it's really good. Okay, I'm just going to draw some here. I already did that. And tell you to definitely not burn those things together. Shh. And there are more. More combinations that can never be listed. Love, sugar plumps. Spider. Oh, a lot of spiders. Oh my goodness. Those poor kids. Oh my goodness. How? Oh. Okay. Let's pretend that didn't happen. And the tally. Oh, these gonna take a minute, aren't they? No. Nope, not dealing with that. What combinations are there? Springtime, generations, lenders, and movie night. Bank, television. Breaking weather report. It's gonna be another cold one, folks. The snow's been coming down faster and faster. Every day colder than the last. That can't last forever. Build a nice cozy fire and stay warm inside, folks. Heh. Reporting from the weather balloon, over the smokestacks, over the city, the weatherman. Come on, burn up, burn up, burn up. What were they again? Springtime, combo, generations. See if we can do two at once. Springtime. I'm gonna guess. Seed packet. Alarm clock for time. Generations. What the fuck would that be? Maybe someone else's portrait. And spider egg. Open up. Those two. Done now. Spider. Go away. Up, up, and up. Springtime. Stop moving. Okay. And generations. Hell yeah, got them. What else? What else? There are others. Lenders and movie night. Lenders. Credit card and bank. That's gonna take a minute. Break! 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 Ha! Hurry up. So if we do a movie night, corn on the cob, television. Oh, I don't got that many ticket things. Stamps. Lenders. That's lenders done. Hurry up. Now we're doing a movie night. Alright, there's that. Now the lenders. Alright. Oh, I didn't even notice this thing here. Totally recalled toys. Broken TV. Spider. Alright, I think I'll end it here. Make each book its own video. Yeah, I guess that's what I'll do. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Gonna end this one off with some burnt up school bus and spider egg, fireflies, and batteries. Where's that school bus? Come on. School bus. Spider eggs. This on that side. And some batteries. Hop 2, guys. Oh. I thought I was going to drive. Alright. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Next video should be out pretty quick. Spider!